Upbeat music plays. Cut to a brightly lit kitchen, with both steam mops displayed on a table. Welcome back to the channel that helps you spend your money wisely. Today, we're diving into the steamy world of cleaning, comparing the Newbealer steam mop and handheld cleaner and the Neugo steam mop. It's a showdown that'll have your floors shining brighter than ever. Let's kick things off with price. The Newbealer is priced at $104, making it a budget-friendly option, while the Neugo comes in slightly higher at $109. Reviewers often mention that Newbealer is a great value for its price, especially given its versatility. However, Neugo's users rave about its effectiveness and are willing to pay a little more for the added features. So if you're looking to save a few bucks, Newbealer might be your best friend. Now, let's get steamy. The Newbealer reaches a sizzling 248 degrees Fahrenheit, while the Neugo maxes out at 230 degrees Fahrenheit. Reviewers of Newbealer appreciate its high steam temperature for tackling tough grime, while Neugo users enjoy its effective cleaning power without the risk of burns. Remember, hotter doesn't always mean better. Just a bit more caution needed. Next up, water tank capacity. Newbealer has an 8.5 fluid ounces tank, providing about 10 to 25 minutes of cleaning time. In contrast, Neugo boasts a larger 15.2 ounces tank, allowing for longer cleaning sessions without interruptions. Reviewers highlight Neugo's larger tank as a significant advantage, letting them clean more without frequent refills. It's like bringing a water bottle to a marathon. Weight and design are crucial for ease of use. Newbealer weighs in at just 3.96 pounds, making it super lightweight. Neugo is also easy to maneuver, with users praising both for their comfortable handling. Reviewers of both products love that they don't feel like they're lifting weights while cleaning, which is a huge plus. Let's talk attachments. Newbealer comes with a full cleaning arsenal, including a handheld pod and various brushes, making it extremely versatile. Reviewers love this feature, stating it's like a Swiss Army knife for cleaning. Neugo, on the other hand, keeps it simple with adjustable height and a removable tank. Users appreciate its straightforward design, but if you want versatility, Newbealer is your go-to. Finally, drying time. Neugo claims quick drying action, which many users appreciate, allowing them to get back to their day sooner. Newbealer, however, focuses on thorough cleaning, which might take a bit longer. Reviewers mention that Neugo's quick drying feature is a game changer, especially for households with pets or kids. In summary, Newbealer is praised for its lightweight design, versatility, and effective cleaning power, making it a great option for varied floor types. However, some users noted limitations in steam temperature and cleaning efficiency on certain surfaces. Neugo, on the other hand, is highly recommended for its effectiveness on tough stains, ease of use, and quick drying capabilities, although some users pointed out the smaller water tank as a downside. Both products have their strengths, appealing to different user needs. So which steam mop reigns supreme? If you're after versatility and a full cleaning package, Newbealer steals the show. But if you want something that's easy to use with quick drying and a larger water tank, Neugo is your best bet. Let us know in the comments below which one you prefer and why. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the product links in the description. Until next time, keep it smart, keep it clean,